The fifth risk to Bitcoin presents a similarly existential threat, and that's the possibility of a quantum computer cracking its encryption. In theory, it will be years, if not decades, before a quantum computer is able to do this. In practice, quantum computing has been evolving at an exponential rate. Not only that, but it's easy to forget that the cutting-edge technology we read about on the news is often months or years behind what's being worked on behind the scenes by governments and corporations. Obviously, the bigger that Bitcoin becomes, the greater the incentive for institutions who are threatened by Bitcoin to do something like quantum attack it to slow it down, be they governments or big banks. As with the concentration of hash rate among Bitcoin mining companies, the threat of a quantum attack against Bitcoin looks like a question of when, not if, assuming current trends do continue. And if you watched our video about quantum computing and Bitcoin, you'll know there's a large amount of old Bitcoin sitting in wallets that could theoretically be stolen by a quantum computer, most of which is already lost. And if you've been keeping up with the headlines about quantum computing and Bitcoin, you'll know that the Bitcoin community is slowly coming to the realization that some kind of a hard fork to delete or freeze this old or lost Bitcoin will be required at some point.